Okay, this is 2015 Nissan Rogue, and we're doing a strut assemblies today. First thing I'm gonna tell you right now is you got on the top 2 bolts right there, and then your third one is right there. I don't know if you see that. Yeah. So, 2 right there, 1 behind here. I mean, you can get it like this. You can see it right there. So, I mean, I can get it just by popping out this clip. But if you go to all data, they're probably going to tell you to take off this little cover, take off the bolt, and then pull the windshield wiper off. This is a 19 millimeter. And usually when you take these off, you'll find that they spin unless you hold it with one of these guys in the back. So I'll just leave that on there because I'm probably gonna have to hold it again when I put it in. And take these out, your speed sensor. Then I'm gonna hold these still and back off these bolts right here. Knock these out, take this brake clip off, so you got to tap it right here, tap it that way, take that brake clip off, then we can take off those bolts up top and should be good to go. Okay, so like I said, just hold the nuts here, those are 21s, and then just take it off on the back side. Like I said, I popped out that clip right there, which is your brake clip. See, it's got a little tab right there. And you just hit it on that tab, it'll come out. And on top here, these are 13s. I just use like a little ratchet to get this one out. This one right here, I just hit it with that. This I used to get this one back here also. All I did was lift it up, and I could put a swivel head on it, and you can see it's real easy to get to right there. Sorry, the camera didn't focus. But I didn't have to take that off. I just popped out this one thing right here. So going back in, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna hand tighten these right here. Then I'm gonna do this one last. And then I'll put these in right here. And then everything else will fall into place once you get these lined up. Now what you got to do, if you can't lift this up by hand to line it, then you just put a jack up under the control arm, and then you drop the car down real slow until this lines up with these right here. So go ahead and start putting this new one in. So the new one, these are 12 millimeters. And then the old ones are 13s. So I use the old 13 right there because it doesn't have a washer. Because it's going to be, in order to get it down there, how to put a magnet, you'd have to put a magnet on a washer and then line up the bolt. But I just use the old bolt on the head, lined it up with the hole, dropped it in there, and then took the magnet and just, did like that sideways real quick after it was in the hole to break the magnetic connection. And then I just tighten it up. This guy right here. And just gotta put your push pin back in, tighten these up, and try to get this lined up here. Put all this back in. Then this right here should line up. We'll do that last. So, this is what I'm talking about right here. Put a little jack stand up under it. And then I had to raise it up in order to get this lined up. And put your clip, or you can just zip tie that right there. I'll probably just zip tie it. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Then you put these in there. If they'll fit, sometimes aftermarket stuff, it doesn't line up right. So you just gotta zip tie it. Okay, this is a 2015 Nissan Rogue. This is a driver's side front strut assembly. And I think y'all already told you guys about the different sizes here. Make sure these are real nice and tight, otherwise you can have knocking and stuff whenever you go over bumps.